This is a review of the 4-pack kitchen towels from Kitchenaid, and the reason why I got these was because of the fact I wanted it to match my Kitchenaid. Kitchenaid does make towels that will match the color of your Kitchenaid, and this is blue velvet, and I love this color. I absolutely love this color. And so I was able to get the 4-pack of kitchen towels, and so it comes with 2 solid and then 2 striped, and they feel pretty good. Like they should be durable, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy that I am able to get the color kitchen towels as my Kitchenaid. And I would just recommend these as well as a just good kitchen towel, because they do feel like a medium weight. So they're not thin, but they're not too thick. So it's that just right weight for the kitchen.